Absolutely not. This is why I don't come outside.
Oh, you're suited.
Yeah. I can't even, like, this is all clear. Like, there's nothing here. Oh my god, it's clear.
Should have worn my long johns. This is what I get for being prideful. I'm like, oh yeah, I don't need that. No, I needed it. I needed it. Ah! Oh! Yo, shout out my mom for the Timbs though. Oh my gosh, I can't see.
Yo, look at that! Like what? What's the fuck? Freaking and Arthur. Oh! Oh my god! Bro. Oh my god! Yo, that was so deep. Let me get out. Let me stop playing. Oh, it's in my shoe. Oh! Oh, I can't see.
I see why people have like snow goggle things. Cause I can't see nothing.
Why are you driving this, brother? What are you doing?
I'm gonna go slap him in the face right now. I didn't even tell you where I'm going. I can't see right now, so we're just gonna close our eyes and talk. I'm trying to go get snacks at the grocery store. This is the only reason why I'm doing this. Oh my goodness. Wait, where am I going?
Oh, nah. I was in the way of that thing.
Oh, the Dollar Tree's open. We might go to Dollar Tree. I lied.
Let's go all the way down. Please don't be close, bro. That's not my brand new Tim.
How do football players play in snow? I can't even like get a grip.
This is ridiculous.
I'm from Atlanta, Georgia, but we don't get no snow. Whew. Alright, let's do it. Snack hunt. Okay, I can't really give y'all a good angle right now. I'm holding like 5 things right now.
There's nobody here. Closed. 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 Oh, I'm like, what? Goods acquired. And now we out.
This is not worth it. Just stay at the door. Play in Minecraft. But no, I just wanted some snacks. Oh, I'm good now. I think. No, I lied. I'm not good. Hopefully my nose ain't running. It was way harder to get here than to get back. Oh my god, I almost slipped. Okay. I think I reached flow state. I found out the best spot to like look. That car been here since I left. Ain't not getting out. The whole car snowed in.
Look.
I'm about to hit the wind tunnel. And then it's gonna be straight pain. I'm almost to my dorm. I'm almost there. Oh, jump over that. Fast, I gotta use the bathroom. Oh, nah, bro. Oh, nah. I did it. I'm never going outside again.